So we're here in Austin, Texas at the greatest housing conference, I believe, in the country. This conference alone keeps us busy through the rest of the year.
It's the place to learn about what is really impacting the industry and stay abreast of the hottest topics. But also, it is essential for meeting folks and networking and really growing your place in the industry.
I have the privilege this year of being the conference co-chair. So we really looked at the feedback that we got, we talked to everyone, and really as the conference has continued to grow, one of the most important things was ensuring that this event is great for everyone, no matter what type of attendee they are. If it's their first time, if it's their 20th time. And so we wanted to make sure that the conference had a little bit of something for everyone.
We have various tracks of education that work for both seasoned professionals and newcomers to the industry. We have various keynote speakers, which are really great to give kind of that national perspective. And then just the networking that we have available and getting to see all of those people in person.
Being able to come in and connect and sit down and talk, get the big picture overviews, think about what's going to be coming in the next year, how we can react to that, plan for that, to do what we do more effectively is extremely valuable.
This conference keeps bringing me back because if anyone is related to this industry, they're here. It's just a whole myriad of things that allows us to become better at what we do.
Right now, this conference has grown exponentially over the past 15 years, from hundreds of people to thousands now.
It's never been a small conference, but now it is a huge conference. And I think that just tells a lot about the people knowing that this is the place to be in Texas when you want to do affordable housing development and finance.
It's been a great experience. I was a little unsure myself and nervous coming into Texas and not knowing much, but everyone here has been really warm and welcoming. I've got to meet a lot of housing authorities, housing developers.
This conference goes from dawn till dusk, and so we are so excited to be able to have everyone super engaged and really giving 100% to the industry while here for these 3 days.
If you have any interest in affordable housing, this is the place you need to be. This is a great opportunity to learn, to build relationships, to see the product of what we're doing. But at the end of the day, this housing conference brings together everybody focused on one mission, and that's delivering safe, high quality, and affordable housing for the Texans that need it most.